What's up everyone, welcome to this video. Filming it on a GoPro because I don't know, just easy to throw the GoPro in my pocket. But I don't know, just gonna keep it mellow today and see how things go. Just kind of testing this out because I think I might get another laptop tonight so then I can edit this and see how it works. Yeah, that's about it. About to pick up some lunch and then later I'm gonna meet up with my friends so I can go get that MacBook in downtown. So yeah. Alright, what's up everyone? I'm back. Just finished eating. I took the food back home and then ate, and now I'm gonna go pick up my friend who lives only like 5 minutes away from me. And I got pretty lucky because there's another Apple store that had the laptop that I'm getting in stock, so I don't have to go hassling downtown because not only is downtown so packed and just not fun to go to, but there's just like literally no parking, so I would have had to pay like, I don't even know, like $20 for every 5 minutes just to park there and go to the store there, so that would have been kind of whack. But yeah, gonna go pick up my friend now. I have like a time slot to pick up the laptop, I guess. I don't really understand how it works, but it just shows like a 15-minute slot. So it's 1:40 now, and I chose it for like 3:45. So just gonna get my friend, and then maybe we'll go get a coffee and just hang out somewhere for a little bit, enjoy the air conditioning somewhere because it's pretty hot here. Yeah, also I got a new car, which I haven't shown yet in any of the videos because I haven't really made a video that recently. But well, it's not a new car, it's an old car, but I got a 2005 C6 Corvette. I got it from Texas, so it has some upgrade engine and stuff. I won't get into like specifics, but it's I'm personally not like the kind of person that's like now that 91 is like $7 a gallon here, I've been trying to drive it less, which is unfortunate, but yeah, so I got this car. I'll probably do a little bit of a outside look when I get out, but yeah, if you're watching this from my motorcycle videos, I have some unfortunate news, and that's basically just that I sold my motorcycle. Yeah, so I sold my motorcycle when I got this car, but I've been actively searching for another motorcycle, so if anyone has like FXR, Dyna, an older Dyna, preferably like a late 90s or something, that'd be cool. But the thing with the motorcycle market right now is kind of ridiculous how much people are trying to charge for motorcycles. Like, you see a Dyna that's like probably like a $7,000, $8,000 bike, and people are trying to get like $12,000 from it, and yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm trying to get another motorcycle right now, but gotta wait a little bit and save some money, so that's just how things go. Done getting coffee, and now I'm driving to the Apple store, so hopefully it doesn't take that long. But alright, what's up everyone? I'm back at home now, and I guess I'll open the laptop real quick and show how it looks and stuff. I don't know if anyone's interested in that, but yeah, I haven't made a video in a while, so I've gotten a lot of clothes in that time. So I thought I would just like quickly go over some of the like more interesting pieces of clothing I've got recently. I'm not gonna go through all of it because there's a lot of it's just a lot of stuff, but I think the cooler things might be pretty interesting because I don't know, just some cool pieces. So yeah, I'll go over that also once I open the laptop and everything.
there. That's the laptop. And then a little charger here. Some paperwork, and then charger. Assume that's everything. Yeah, I don't think anything else in there. So let's try to get the laptop set up and then hopefully edit this video on it and check the laptop out. Alright, so I'm just setting up the new laptop now. But I also want to mention that I have a new dog now, and I didn't have a dog before. And I think he's like 4 or 5 months old now, and it's a wiener dog, or a Dachshund, I guess is the right name, or at least what we call it here in America. So yeah, let me show him right now real quick before I go over some of the clothes I've gotten recently. Nah, you're crazy. What is that? Ah.
Look who's here. Darn it.
Alright, anyways, that's my dog. His name is Hugo, and he's a little crazy still. And we also have a kitten now, so I think she's sleeping somewhere outside, so once I see her I'll probably include her in the video also. But now let me go through quickly some of the new stuff I've gotten recently. Alright, first up, got this sweet old varsity jacket from 1980. It's got Emilio on there. I really just like the color on the collar and the little patches here. It's like a light blue, you can see. I took it to get dry cleaned recently, so that's why there's that. The funny thing is, actually, this is my rival high school. Well, I went to a high school called Cathedral High School in downtown for a year, and that's in Chinatown, and then this is like technically our rival high school, and this high school is in Boyle Heights. So yeah, then the inside is like a satin line, and it's reversible here, but I haven't worn it reverse yet. But there had been like a big hole in the arm area here, and I got that stitched up when it was dry cleaned. So yeah, there's that. Super sweet. I'll probably in another video show how this fits on, but right now it's just way too hot to even wear this here. Alright, the next thing I got here is a, let me throw this down here. It's a 60s bomber jacket, satin. It's got orange lining on the inside. It's not reversible, it's just orange on the inside. Got some good wear on the sleeves and the cuffs. It's got this little pocket on the side. But yeah, it just fits me nice and cropped. It actually fits pretty perfectly. The neck is a little worn out, but yeah, all in all, super nice jacket. I was pretty hyped on it actually. I got it for a pretty decent price, and yeah, there's that. Alright, this is another jacket. This is the last jacket that I've gotten recently, which is, I'm not going to be able to wear for a little while, but I've hyped on all of these. And this is like a old vintage starter blue, like satin Dodgers zip-up jacket that has like a high neck. I've honestly been looking at this jacket every once in a while for like the past few years, and I've just never got around to getting it. But I was thinking now is the right time, since these are getting a little harder to find, especially Dodgers and just any starter zip up like this in general is pretty hard now. So yeah, this is like a nice deep royal blue, of course, Dodgers blue, and this one also fits me pretty perfectly. I was hyped on this one. Alright, another vintage tee. Well, this is the first vintage tee that I'm showing here. Another one that I got here is this yellow vintage Sex Pistols. Never mind the Bullocks. Here's a Sex Pistols tee. It's got a little hole right here, which is fine, and it's printed on a anvil tag. So yeah, hyped on this one. I had seen this at a store like a year or two ago, and I was like, damn, that's pretty sweet. hopefully I can find one in the future. And I found this on eBay for a decent price, so happy on that. Alright, here's another vintage tee that I got, and it's just a old single stitch Jägermeister tee, which is nice, just a nice white color with the little fade and stuff on it. Jägermeister on the front, but the real reason that I got this one was because of the back. And yeah, the back's just funny print, sweet, and just has this guy on it. Yeah, you know what's going on there. That's it for the clothing that I want to show, and then there's 2 pairs of shoes that I've gotten recently that I want to show. I've gotten some other vintage tees and stuff, but those are actually at my apartment. I've been moved into a place with some friends of mine, like 20 minutes from my house, so kind of back and forth sometimes. But some of my clothes are there also, so I would have to make like a little bit more in-depth video and go get those, or like go to my other place and show those. So next time I'll get those in the video. Let me show you the shoes real quick now. Yeah, so first up, I got these Sambas. These are the Adidas Wales Bonner, I guess, collab joints. They had like a creamy white color also that sold out pretty quick, but personally I liked these red ones better, so I was kind of happy that these did not go as quick because I could just get them later. Yeah, these are sweet. They're actually super comfy. They're like this weird, I can't even, this is just like a plasticky material. I don't know. Yeah, those are those. Alright, next up are these Stussy 70s Converse, these high tops. They had released like a low top and these high tops, but I just like high top Converse, so got these. Pretty basic, but they're like this hemp meshy material, which is kind of cool. Pretty comfortable. They got the Converse logo on the inside and this star. Right there, you can see the sole there, and then it just has some little hits everywhere there. So yeah, these are sweet. Hopped on these. Yeah, that's it for the clothes that I have to show for now. Alright everyone, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching if you've stuck around this far. I'm just trying to get back into making videos because I do enjoy the process of making them and kind of just showing clothes and kind of showing what I do throughout the day. I've never made videos super consistently, but I kind of want to get into that just because I enjoy editing and stuff like that. I don't know, just a fun hobby. So yeah, I'll try to start bringing my GoPro around because I do kind of like how small it is and how the quality is nice. So I'll probably do that, and then yeah, I'll try to make another video tomorrow because tomorrow's 4th of July and I'm not working. I'm hoping to get a motorcycle again because I like making motorcycle videos too. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe because I'll be hopefully releasing some more videos. Thanks.